Yep, welcome to Code with Patrick. Yeah, here we go again. We want to make use of the food lists so perfectly well. What we want to do right now is I want to show you how you can, get rid of some unwanted, item on the list. Like you on your way and you'll be like, oh my God, man, I don't have money to get this particular item. All you want to do is to remove it from the list, right? Pretty much simple. So but for this tutorial I want to actually make use of a test view, because I feel like a lot of people don't really have time to see all this displayed on the test view. So to make it more clearer, we want to make use of a test view. So what you want to do, we want to go to our layout right now. Okay, just go to your res folder and go to your layout and double click on the activity main. Alright, right here we want to add just one test view. So I'm just gonna go down here and type it. We're gonna put it in the center of parents, okay, just to keep it in the middle. I'll give it an ID. You can call this anything you want, but for now I want to call this list, okay, just to keep it simple. And I want to increase the test size a little bit. And I want to set test size to bold, okay? So we're going to make use of tests style. I think I'm done with this. Okay, this is pretty much okay. It's very simple. And oh my God, this is supposed to be test size. Okay, and let's set the gravity to center. We're good to go. That's all you have to do right here on XML. Okay, let's go back into our main activity and perform what we have to do in this part 2. Items right here, right? Basically, Java programmer will say we have 3 items, okay? Because we start counting from 0, 1, 2, 3, okay? But right here we have 4. Let's just speak like a normal human. Okay, so we have 4 here, right? So right now I remember, oh my God, I only have $50, or I only have 50 naira or something, okay, or 50 Ghana cedis or so. What I want to do is I want to remove item number 1 and item number 2, and then I want to go to the market with the rest of the items. So what I want to do right now is I want to type in my list. There is something very important that I'm just gonna show you or explain to you. I'm gonna remove now we want to remove cookies, right, and onion. Okay, so what I want to do right now is basically but this is what happens here. Okay, once you remove this item number 1, which is cookies, now the list is rearranged. Now what happened is your rice become number 0, your candy become number 2, and your onion become number now we're having 3 items, right, in the list. And so now what happened is, once you remove these cookies right here, okay, now you're left with 3 items on the screen. 3 items, speaking from a non-programmer's perspective, 3 items. But in the programmer's world, we have 2 items, right? So rice will become 0, candy will become 1, and onion will become 2. So the next thing we want to do here to remove the onions, we're gonna say full list that remove 2. Okay, so what you want to think about is, once you remove the item, the computer is going to rearrange the whole list. Okay, once this first item is removed, item number 1, which is your cookies, the whole thing will be rearranged, and now your onion that was 3 would now become 2, Your candy that was 2 will now become 1. Okay, so we want to remove onion after the list has been changed. So let's run this and see what we have. Alright, so that was it. You know how to remove an item right now. So we are done with this, the part 2 series of this. And if you haven't subscribed yet and you missed the part 1, you really want to click the subscribe button and click the notification bell so you can keep getting, updates as I upload new videos and I'll upload the parts, different parts, because we are still gonna do the next thing. It's not all about the list here. We're still gonna talk about how you can replace a particular position, and we're still gonna sort and do other stuff on this list. And so just stay in touch, and I'll see you in the next class. Bye for now.